everyone, this is Riley again. We're at Lucky Beach. I made another video earlier, but I'm making another one. We're at Lucky Beach. So there's like other people. I didn't know if you could. I didn't film that was like a lady just over there or there. And then there's like that little shade. There's a beach. Yeah, we're at the beach there. I changed my boots so that I could dip in the water. And I also raised up my pants. And like if I turn around me and Lola and Reese and Mommy and Dad.
What's the name
Lucky
of this
Beach.
Oh, Lucky Beach. Say hello.
Hi.
Lucky Bay.
No. We say hi.
What's this, Ate?
Daddy. Lucky Bay.
Reese has boats.
Hey,
Yeah.
your video.
Yeah. And
You capture that side as well?
oh, that side?
Yeah. So make sure you capture this. Go into the left. There you go, guys. That's how it looks like from up here.
Yeah.
We're gonna head down there.
Yeah, we're gonna head down there right now. And then we're gonna have a better view. Just a little bit.
This is how it looks like from the outlook.
Yep.
See? Whoa, that's how it looks like from the top. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the beach. And you hold the vlog.
Okay. And then
Watch your step, okay?
like there's not much to show you, but there's over there. I don't know if you can see
You want me to
that part.
capture for you?
Yeah, that part.
Where?
There.
Yeah, that's a campsite.
Yeah.
All right, go down.
So like we're going down the steps. Right now, there's flowers right there.
Yeah.
They're yellow and they're beautiful. And I don't know if you can see that two pink
All right,
flowers.
let's go.
Okay, let's go down the steps. Okay. Pepper ones, those ones. Yeah, pepper ones. Yeah. And then let's just keep going down. Just go 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 down. Look, Reese. Just go down. Jump. Come on, let's go over here. There's like do not feed animals. Do not bring your food and feed the animals.
What do you say?
Don't feed the kangaroos. Let them eat their own food.
Yes, that's right. Why are they not allowed to eat our food?
Because that's human food. They don't eat human food or else they get sick.
That's right, they get sick. They have their own food, right?
Yeah. So this is their food.
So where do you want to explore first?
Let's explore the beach over there. Whoa, it's wet. It's wet.
Just a little water. Come on.
Okay. Ah, it's gonna wet my dress.
It was ice.
That's a big wave. Big wave. What about your feet? Yay! Ooh. Wait! Wait!
Come here, come here.
There's like waves coming to my boot, and it's not my black boot. It feels like for the sand, it feels so sticky, and then when I go in here, it feels like nothing. It feels like puddles.
Is it cold?
Yes, but I still like it.
Really?
I still like it. It's cold, but I still like it.
Oh, yawa. Oh, no.
They're taking a swim there. Taking a swim.
Yeah, they are taking a swim. No, that's too big.